Hello, this is Andy, and today I'm going to do a quick video on how to import a OS into operating system image into the Openstack, and then launch an instance and log into it. Right. So here's what we do: we will upload an OS image to the Openstack, create a network and the new virtual machine, launch a virtual machine, and then log in from the console to access the new operating system. Okay, so basically I'm following the basic exercise 1, basic OpenStack operation on the Oracle hands-on lab, so you can look into it. And now let's go ahead and log in to Oracle, the OpenStack. So first of all, before I do anything, we can look at the existing image. So this is the image I upload to the OpenStack previously. There are the two operating systems. Now, and then these are the existing favors. So defining the disk size and memory usage of each virtual machine instance for the tenant gonna use. And we actually do not have anything on the network right now, right? So there is nothing on the networking side. So the network topology is empty. So first we'll go ahead and log into Openstack. Now this thing you need to do is to key the admin file here, right? So if you look into it, it has certain environment variable you want to export to the OpenStack operating system. After that, we can actually go ahead and then we have a image of Oracle Linux 6.5 in our directory. So what we're going to do, we have a command called cleanse. It will upload this image into the OpenStack repository. Go ahead and do that, which will take about a couple minutes. Okay, so we will skip for now, and now we are done. And actually, you can see that now we have a new name called Oracle Linux 65, which is the image name we give to the Oracle image file. So we go back to the OpenStack, and now when we look at the instances, look at the images. Okay, so here it's the image, and you can look into the details, right, and the size. So what we're going to do is we will create a favor, which is the description of the installation space and memory usage the virtual CPU require for a particular VM. Okay, so there is some existing favor, right, tiny small, so we will create a new one called micro, m1.micro. Okay, and we give it a 1 virtual CPU and 256 2 0 and 0, and then create a favor. And this is very fast, right? So this is now being created. So next, before we can launch an instance, we need to create a network to connect to the instance. So we go to Project, Network, and we click the Create Network button here. Okay, so let's create a new network. then the IP address. So this is a 10.10.10.0 network, and actually if you do not define the IP address, I think it's default to 10.10.10.1. Okay, so I think it's okay. And subnet detail, yeah, enable this CPU, okay. Let's go ahead and create this. That one. And now what we're going to do is we'll go ahead and create a second network. And net 2. Just do the 20.20.20.0. So this is a 20.20.20 network. Let's go ahead and create this. So now we have 2 networks. So what we can do now is we go to compute, and we also go to instances, and we can now create an instance. Okay, so we do a launch. Let's the name. Oracle Linux 65. So there's a new one we use, micro. Now the interesting thing is now we can actually choose the image source. So we can just say put from image. Now I have a new box to ask me to choose the name. So let's do this Oracle Linux. And now I can do the launch. Oh, hold on. Okay, before I do that, I should do the networking. So let's put the network 1 here. And that's for the security. Now we are not choosing anything, so that's okay. So it's just default. You can just go and launch it. You can see this is successful. It's building right now. So we're just going to wait a little bit. Go ahead and create another instance, and we'll just call this Put from image, and select the image, and launch it. Okay. Oh, okay. So network, of course. I will do the network 2. Okay, so now it's being built. Okay, so it actually takes about 2 to 3 minutes to wait for the virtual machine to start up on my MacBook. So now it's done. We can go to the network topology, and you can see the 2 networks we have created, 10.10.10, and then the other one is 20.20.20. And we also have 2 IP address on the 2 hosts, OL65 and OL652. This is using DHCP, so it assigned the .2 to the 2 box. And now we can actually open the console. So remove the box. Okay. And we move here, and going to log in as a root. Password is password. Okay, and I do ifconfig. So this is the 10.10.10.2, right? So on the other box, I will also open the console and log in is root. Password is password. And we have two network, two VM running on two different networks. 20.20.20.0. Okay, that would conclude today's lab.